Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can remove watermark from our video for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my computer, and first of all, we need to open up our browser and we have to search for the watermark remover, and there will be some websites used to remove our watermark, and I recommend you to choose this one, Online Video Cutter. And after you have found this website, you can open it and you will be able to use it to remove watermark from your video. Wait, you just need to click on open file and you can select the video you want to remove the watermark from. Wait guys, I'm still looking for my video. I'm gonna go with this video, and you have to import it to your project, and then you can select one or more areas you wish to remove from your video. And since I want to remove watermark, I'm just going to select the watermark area and click on apply. Okay, and now as you can see that the watermark has been removed from my video, and this is the final result. Okay, and if you want to download the video, you can click on save and the video will be automatically downloaded. Alright guys, and that's all the way to remove watermark from our video for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.